leaf tea and its 10 proven benefits. So, what happens if you drink bay leaf tea daily? Does it improve vein and artery health? Does bay leaf thin blood and boost circulation? Does it strengthen veins or have the opposite effect? Does it stimulate digestion? Can it relieve pain? Is it anti-inflammatory? Or is everything I've said untrue? I'll show you how to use it and who should or shouldn't. This spice has been used for thousands of years. Before we start, tell me in the chat or comments where in Brazil or the world you're watching from, and if you drink bay leaf tea regularly. Share in the chat or comments. I'd love to know you better. Bay leaf, scientifically known as Laurus nobilis, is an aromatic plant from the Mediterranean, widely grown worldwide. Its culinary and medicinal use spans thousands of years. Grab a pen and paper, folks. I'll give you 10 reasons to include bay leaves in your daily routine. But first, we've got 176 viewers now and only 33 likes. That's right, just 33 likes. Please like this video so YouTube sees it as relevant and shares it with more people. We're at 38 likes now. Let's aim for at least 200 likes here. The 10th reason to drink bay leaf tea daily. It can improve digestion. Eugenol has anti-flatulence effects, helping combat gas and bloating. Eugenol also stimulates digestive enzymes, making digestion more efficient. 9th reason, bay leaves strengthen your immune system. Why? It's rich in vitamin C, A, iron, zinc, and potassium, has antimicrobial properties and polyphenols that fight oxidative stress, neutralize free radicals, and it's also prebiotic, meaning it increases the number of intestinal colonies of lactobacilli and bifidobacteria, which are good for our body, including our immune system. Got it? 8th benefit, it has a calming effect. Due to linalool, it can help relieve stress. Inhaling bay leaf vapor can boost mental and emotional health. 7th reason, anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol and cineol are anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. It helps maintain our endothelium health, the cell layer lining our blood vessel. Laurel maintains good endothelial tone, controlling vasodilation and constriction, and preserving vein and artery health. The 6th reason is that bay leaf can relieve respiratory issues. It boosts immunity, has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, opens airways, and has expectorant and decongestant properties. So it can be a good option for those with flu or cold symptoms. 5th reason, bay leaf helps control blood sugar levels. It can reduce blood glucose and sugar levels through mechanisms not yet fully understood, but evidence suggests it increases insulin sensitivity, as insulin resistance is a mechanism by which diabetes... All right, let's dive in, folks. The 4th reason is bay leaf can improve your lipid profile. Dr. Zhao, what's a lipid profile? It's basically your cholesterol and triglycerides. Studies show bay leaf supplements can lower bad cholesterol, LDL, raise good cholesterol, HDL, and reduce triglycerides. So it can also help protect your heart. The 3rd reason, bay leaf tea is an antioxidant. Caffeic acid, eugenol, linalool, and quercetin neutralize free radicals. Free radicals damage cells, vessels, and affect blood pressure and diabetes control. These antioxidants in bay leaf tea, as I mentioned, help control cholesterol, prevent premature aging, and early cell death, which results from high oxidative stress. So being an antioxidant, bay leaf tea can help prevent age-related diseases like Alzheimer's and heart attacks. Secondly, bay leaf tea is antihypertensive, helping to control blood pressure. The first reason is that bay leaf tea is heart-friendly and good for circulation. It helps control risk factors for cardiovascular diseases. What are some risk factors for cardiovascular diseases, Dr. Joao? Mainly high blood pressure, hypertension, diabetes, and high cholesterol. And what did I say? That bay leaf tea will help with all of these. Chronic inflammation is another risk factor that bay leaf tea can help with. It also contains coumarins, substances with anticoagulant properties. Dr. Joao, how should I use bay leaves? You can use bay leaves to season your food, or you can consume bay leaves as a tea. So you'll want to take 2 to 3 bay leaves, steep them in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes, Add a bit of honey if the taste isn't to your liking, and you can drink this 2 to 3 times a day. Fresh bay leaves are best, but dried ones work fine too. They're easier to find, so no worries, okay? You can also use bay leaf supplements, but this increases the risk of taking too high a dose. As with everything, the dose makes the poison. High amounts of bay leaf can cause unwanted side effects. Who needs to be careful with bay leaf? But before I tell you who should be cautious, hit that subscribe button down below. Join the Dr. Joao channel family. I promise you won't regret it. Welcome. Whether you're here for the first time or have been watching for a while, who's here for the first time today? Who's just getting to know me? Let me know in the chat or comments if you're a long-time viewer or new here. So tell me in the chat or comments. Now, who should be cautious about using bay leaf? Those with liver problems, those with severe kidney issues, blood pressure, or diabetes meds users should be careful, as bay leaf can lower BP and blood sugar. So be careful, okay? Also, those allergic to bay leaf, pregnant or nursing women should be cautious. Most importantly, those on coumarin anticoagulants, like warfarin, brand name Maravan users should be careful, as bay leaf contains coumarins. It can thin the blood too much, increasing bleeding risk. Will drinking bay leaf tea daily solve my BP, circulation, and diabetes issues? My answer is no. Want to know why? Because you won't solve diabetes, circulation, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity. Address the root cause. Is the lack of bay leaf tea consumption the root cause? No. What's the real cause? It's your lifestyle. It's your diet, sleep, stress levels, and sedentary habits. These are the root causes of most of your health issues. If you have high blood pressure, if you're overweight, if you have diabetes, if you have circulation problems, the likely causes are what I just mentioned. Poor diet, obesity, lack of exercise, terrible stress management, and poor sleep quality. Don't fool yourself thinking bay leaf tea will fix everything. It won't. The key is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Doctor, I don't know how to have a healthy lifestyle. I'm unsure what to do or eat. I don't know how to manage my anxiety or improve my sleep quality. I can't quit drinking or smoking. What should I do? Read my book, The Longevity Code. It has a chapter for each of these issues. One on diet, exercise, sleep, stress management, addiction, and more. So I recommend it if you want to improve your lifestyle. And what happens when you do? You gain better health, more energy, and increased vitality. You take fewer meds for blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol. You live longer, healthier, and happier. You sleep better, look in the mirror, and see someone you love, someone you're proud to see. So folks, these are the benefits of living a healthy lifestyle. You can rest easy knowing you're doing what's best for yourself. So if you want access to all this, just click the first link in the description or the pinned comment and get it now, your longevity code for only $29.90 in digital form, which is the only version available. Okay? If you don't like it, no worries. I'll refund your money deal. So you're taking no risk here. I'm taking all the risk. But since the book is good and really useful and thousands have read it with positive feedback, I'm sure you'll like it and won't ask for a refund. That's why I offer this unconditional satisfaction guarantee, okay? So want better health? Click the first link in the description or pinned comment and get your longevity code.